All right, this video is going to take us through what a determinant is and how to find it. We're going to start off with a 2 by 2 determinant. So we're going to take a matrix. And this is your regular matrix notation with the brackets. If we want you to find the determinant, we're going to change that into what looks like absolute value symbols. So because math is a lot about notation, we're not going to ask in the directions to find the determinant if we put these symbols. So you will have to know that. And this process is really a stepping stone to solving equations. Okay, to find a 2 by 2 determinant, it's going to remind you a little bit of cross multiplying. The way this works, we're going to use A, B, C, and D as our labels, so a little formula. We're going to do the top left element to the bottom right element, so A times D. Rather than doing equals though, we're going to subtract B times C. So first example, again, when I put these, it means find the determinant. So I'm actually using the one from up above. We're going to do negative 5 times 8, so negative 40, minus, now I'd always do the minus negative so you don't mess this up. So it's minus parentheses negative 77, which is really adding. And it's going to give you 37. This is something you could definitely do without your calculator. So if we do a calculator, no calculator section or scientific and a graphing, this would be something that would be on the non-graphing calculator section. Okay, for this one, I always put this one on. You have to be careful when you're multiplying by 0. I know it sounds silly, anything times 0 is 0, but for some reason when we do determinants, a lot of times people put the 5 and not the 0 here. So just something to pay attention to and be careful with. Okay, so that's 2 by 2 determinants, and what a determinant is, we're finding a value, which we're then going to use for solving equations later. In the next video, we're going to look at how to do it with a 3 by 3 matrix.